In this video, I will show you how to turn off auto delete in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once that's done, I want you to click on this icon here and then go to manage your Google account. Once that's loaded, I want you to come to data and privacy, and in here you're going to search my activity. Under my activity, I want you to click on web and app activity, and you're going to scroll down till you see auto delete, and if it says on, you're going to click on this here, and after it loads, it's going to ask you to choose an auto delete option, and you can click on don't auto delete. Click on next. Now it's going to ask you to confirm that no activity will be deleted. You click on confirm, and that will be all on how to turn off auto delete in Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.